A system builder has assembled a new PC. Upon the first attempt to boot, the machine completes the post successfully but fails to load the OS. Which of the listed parts is the most likely source of the error? The options are Option A, sound adapter, Option B, processor, Option C, PSU, Option D, storage drive.
To analyze this, consider the standard boot sequence. When you power on a computer, it performs a self-diagnostic process to confirm critical hardware is operational. Once this process succeeds, the machine attempts to locate the operating system. We need to identify which component, if faulty, would specifically prevent the operating system from being reached after the initial hardware check is finished. In my view, the correct answer is option D, storage drive. Since the computer passed the power-on self-test, we know that core components like the processor and the power supply are functional enough to handle initial diagnostics. Because the system stalls specifically when moving to the operating system loading phase, the bottleneck lies where the boot files reside.
The sound adapter is an auxiliary component that would not prevent the OS from loading. Additionally, a processor or power supply failure would typically stop the system before it could finish the self-test. When troubleshooting, if a PC reaches the post stage but cannot boot, check the storage media, cables, and partition status, as these are the most common points of failure in new builds.